Hi everyone. Now that we're into the literature portion of the class, I wanted to show you how things are going to work. First of all, this will be what your assignment page will look like. I will give you a story or some poems to read, and then some criticism and other readings to help you understand the story or the poems. Most of the literature that we will be reading can be found here at the Valencia Reader. This is the Valencia Reader, a LibGuide put together by our wonderful librarians. The sections of the Valencia Reader that we will be using the most are short stories, poetry, and criticisms. You are, of course, welcome to use any of the others. First of all, if you remember, our first story this semester will be a story called A&P by John Updike. To find that story, you should go to Short Stories. Once you are here, you can scroll all the way down or just go to U for Updike. And here it is, John Updike, A&P. Click on the story. At this point, if you're not already in the system, you will need to input your Valencia ID. The password should be the last 4 numbers of the Valencia ID. Helpful advice, keep me logged in is a good choice. And here we go. We will find ourselves going to the story. Scroll down and here it is. Once you have read the story, again, I wanted you to read some criticisms of the story. Criticisms. Now there's a lot. You will find a lot of criticisms listed, a lot of articles on each individual story. To simplify things, I have narrowed it. For A&P, you should read A&P Source Short Stories for Students, the sections Characters and Themes. So here is A&P Source Short Stories for Students. Click on that. Brings you to the criticism page. As you see, it's a lot. There's a lot of material here. But if you look over here, you'll see you can just go directly to the 2 parts that I wanted you to read, Characters and Themes. So click on Characters and click on Themes. In addition, if you need more help understanding the story, you can go to the section here, Criticism, and you will find articles of criticism about the story. I will have suggestions on which criticism articles are the best. Once you've done that, you should also complete the other readings. This is literary terms, just read about character. And occasionally I will include my own personal handouts on literary terms and other things. So that is what I want you to read for literature, and then you should complete the discussion. If you have any questions, you know how to find me.